So let's start another question for finding out M path and 8 path, and similarly for 4 path. This is the second video based on the first video. I hope you all have got an idea. But one more point I want to make it clear regarding if ambiguity comes in case of M path and how to solve it. Because we have seen last time for 8 path, if ambiguity comes, we usually take diagonal path as a preferable path. But if in case of M path, there is an ambiguity comes, then what is the strategy? We always follow forward path, or what I can say, 4 neighbors path, 4 neighbor and 4p path, rather than taking diagonal path. Very important point. While in case of 8 path, we follow which path? Diagonal path rather than 4 neighbor path or straight path. So this is preferential cases when you have ambiguities. Ambiguities means when you have choices, more than one path available, which path we need to tackle it. Clear? This point is clear. So now let's take one more question and try to find out its 4 path, M path and 8 path, so that things will be more clear to all of you. So just take the pixel value. I'm just noting it down. Let's take an example of 5, 4, 3, 1. Again 5, 4, 0, 2. Let's say one more 1 is there. Yes, okay. Then 0. Again question 3, 2, 0, 2, 4 is given. And then 2, 1, 1, 3, 5 is given. And last row is 1, 3, 5, 1, 3. This is my P pixel and this is my Q pixel. Clear? This point is clear. Now we are trying or striving to find out path between P and Q given two conditions. First condition, given intensity sets value as usual in the last question, V is equal to 1. And in second case, if we are opting intensity value V is equal to 1, 2. Is there any path available? 4 path is available. All of you can see from here, if I am taking this pixel P and this as Q, first option of 4 pixel is what? I will go for its 4 neighbor. This is one neighbor, this is another neighbor. These two neighbors are absent. One neighbor, second neighbor. Both neighbors are carrying pixel value which does not belongs to this set, intensity set. So 4 path is not possible at all. You cannot move from this point. You cannot move even a single step from here in this question. So first part, 4 path is not at all possible because 4 neighbors are carrying pixel values which does not belongs to my set. So I cannot move to any of these 2 pixel, and diagonally I cannot move. Reason being, in 4 neighbors I cannot take my diagonal elements. Clear? This point is clear. So we will look for another case, that is finding of 8 path. What is the strategy we will adopt? In 8 path, we can move either horizontally, vertically or diagonally, anyway. But if there is more than one path, we will always prefer which path? Diagonal path, as I have explained in the beginning of this video. Clear? So let's start from here. This path we cannot go. This path we cannot go because pixel intensity's values does not belongs to V set. But we can go to this path. Diagonally we can move, and one belongs to this intensity. So clear. This point is clear. Now from here again, where we can move? Either we can go to this, I can go to this, or this. This is any 8 neighbors. But from here you can see we cannot go to 2. We can go to 1 or we can go to 0. So 2 possibilities is here. What are 2 possibilities? One possibility we can follow this path. Another possibility we can follow this path. What I have suggested you in the beginning. If you are deriving or drawing 8 path between P and Q, you should always you should give preference to which path? Diagonal path rather than forward or four neighbor path. So I will take this route. I hope I have made this point clear here. Clear? From here again you can see what are the possibilities. You can move, you cannot move here, you cannot move here, you can only move here. Clear? 8 neighbors. From here, what is possible? You cannot go there, you can only go there. Clear? And from here you have possibility of going here. So 8 paths is available. What is the path length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So path length available is what? Path length is equal to 5. I hope this point is clear to all of you. Clear? Now we will look for the third option. Is there any M path available? Is there any M path available? Yes. If although there is no, you can say M path is 4 path is available, but we can explore for diagonal elements in case of M path, and we can look into those options. But what was my suggestion in the beginning of this video? Whenever you have, just like first we will go into diagonal this, here again you have more than one choice, but if you are using M path, you should always give preference to forward path rather than diagonal path. So in this case we will move to this case, and then we'll move to this, like this. Similarly here you have forward and diagonal, both options are here. You have option, but you will move to which path? You will move to this path. Clear? Why? Because always you will give preference to which? Forward path rather than diagonal path. So M path you have drawn. What is the path length? One step is more, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total path length in case of M path is how much? 6 now. So this question is solved for v is equal to 1, 2. Similarly, you can look for v is equal to v is equal to 0.1 we have solved. Similarly, for v is equal to 1, 2, you can look and get your answer.